Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you pin a post on your Facebook profile, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you the easiest way on how can you do that. Just follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using the Facebook mobile application on your mobile device, of course, we need to get something out of the way first. So open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Find Facebook from there by searching for it, and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, you can finally quit the store. Now let's open Facebook. From Facebook, of course, you have to be logged in to your account. And first, we need to open your profile. You can do that by tapping the profile picture in the top right corner and then tapping on your profile right here. As you can see, I have opened it, or I can do it from the main page again. So I go back here and you can tap on the profile picture in the top left part of the screen right there. Anyways, once I open my profile, I can go ahead and scroll down and find the post that I want to pin. So I'm gonna keep scrolling through my posts just like that. Let's say I want to pin this one right here. So as you can see, it's from 2016. It's gonna be appearing on top of the other posts on my profile. So tap on the three dots in the top right corner of that post. And then it's very easy, just tap on pin post right here. As soon as you tap on it, it will be directly pinned in the top of your profile, as you can see here, guys. It is at the top. Now, you can only pin post one post on your Facebook profile. So if I go ahead and try to post another one directly, let's choose this one. Again, tap on the three dots right here and then tap on pin post. As you can see, it will be pinned, but the other pinned post that I have done earlier will be removed from the pin in the top. So as you can see, guys, you can only pin post one post on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace.